Okay, we're back with our final set. Karruba dito lang nga po KPRP Pinoy Power Radio with our program entitled Adda Kamin Karruba. And your Sir Manong June.
And John Mark Pastor.
Yan, apo dito lang apo. Kupumi dito'y Villa Carmen nga dumandanon dita.
Hawaii.
Ayan, kita man lang ti teknolohiya na hantang nga masapulan nga mapanti Hawaii tap ng mga ganda ta dagiti kailyan ta nga Pilipino aglalo dagiti Ilocano. Nga rod pagyaman mi dagitoy nga tattao apo nga isut nang ti darang tay no aping adda kami tatadyo tangatang. First on the list we have Alex Video Productions featuring Blu-ray technology. Just call Alex and Annie Bayudan at telephone number 808-284-1181 and of course
Maria Hernandez Braceros,
Dado and Angel Lamug,
Ben and Ana Apuya,
and of course dagiti pamilya po ni Manang
Yes.
Emmy. We have Tito Mahal John Anderson,
Janelle Megan Anderson,
kan ulitek apo ni Manang Emmy
Auntie Emmy
Ortega
Anderson.
Ayan, isu tiga po apo na apay nga diti kami kataga po tada kami ti maudi nga paset iti programa apo mabalimin kumansyon nga dagiti gangga na nga sonata. Dati man ti uno na imi nga ipaay kada kayo apo na yanak dati nga sonata idi tawen idi dekada 70. Panahon da ito ay ni tatay mo pala ang daidi kananay mo. And of course
nabutan mo lang
madiin the sisters ko dagito yan isu diti nang introduce kanya ko niti songs of the 70s. I sit alone in my empty room, waiting for a sign. Is this the way you show your mind?
so many crazy thoughts in my head, but I know they're untrue. Am I in love or just a fool for you? You never told me you love me. I know you're not to blame. It's just the way you play your game. You never told me you love me, but I'll get by somehow. You never told me you love me, so why should you care
Night after night I'd sit and wait for you, but you rarely show. I get the feeling it's time to go. Are you sincere or just passing time with someone who loves you? I'm tired of guessing on what to do. You never told me you love me. I know you're not to blame. It's
just the way you play again. You never told me you loved me, but I'll get by somehow. You never told me you love me, so why should you
Apo at dadya may isang guest ay di kang katatapay lang teresto para ka talaga mo nga umasidig iso na tapno din kinalaang di nga sonata nga nagbaling ka nung paset tibiyag na hindi pala ang di umuna nga girlfriend na kita amon laang iti sonata talaga nga dakil ti maited na itibiyag iti may isang tao. Sikat na mat iti kan sonata ka di nga ada pa kayo naigan na itibiyag mo balong at your age.
That's with my father.
Ayan, dakil mo ti malaglagip mo no magmodel nga
sonata. Lalo di Ilocano nga version.
Siyempre, datakit version ti 4 decade duo nga magatang sa Jai, Spotify, kan iTunes, ayan. May sabi apa nga sonata nga paset matlaeng iti panawan tayo, amok nga makarelate kayo with this piece.
The future holds, I know you're there for me. Time is always on my side, and whether it be right or wrong, that's how it's got to be. I try to be the kind of man you proudly call your own, treated you as nice as I know how, get you anything you want, anything at all. The greatest gift there is just too small. Honey, I've got you. What more do I need? My life is complete and satisfied. Honey, you're my bride. Try to be the kind of man you proudly call her own, treated you as nice as I know how, get you anything you want, anything at all. The greatest gift there is just too small. Honey, I've got you. What more do I need? My life is complete and satisfied. You're always on my mind. My life's complete and satisfied. You're always on my mind.
Ngarod Karruba, isagot min kada kiti mauding nga sonata mi kat apo nagbit ti oras nga masapol apo nga gibusan ni manen daytoy as programa na polwan adda kami Karruba ket ikarimi apo nga inton maminsan na lawas na adda kami tumanan nga mangted kanyayo iti uri pagpatit laeng ket mabalintoy nga pagisiman mabalintoy nga isala ken syempre iti kang runaan na ited mi kada kayo apo ti mapaspasamak nga agdama dito'y Pilipinas. Nagpuko-puko dito'y microphone mo.
May tututok.
Di na kahit may tututok. Kasta lang kahit na.
Well.
Ngarod, kas na kunakon. Dito mauding nga sunatami. Ket agyaman kami apo. Ti panangkat kadwayo kada kami. Tila sud may sa oras. Ket agyaman kami. So, goodbye and God bless everyone.
And I don't know how you knew it, but I knew it somehow. You're the answer to the question no one's answered till now. And I don't know what you see in me, but girl, there's nothing to what I see in you. Stars that glisten, lips for kissing. Honey, listen, it's true. No one ever loved you better. I love you, honey. Ain't have known a girl or two, but none of them was you, and they could never be what you are to me. Stars that glisten, lips for kissing. Honey, listen, it's true. No one ever loved you better. I love you, honey. I love you. Ooh, I love you. Ooh, I love you. I love you.
Ngarud, once again, goodbye and God bless everyone. See you again next week.